Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 9.2.4 and we're going to insert a module into the kernel. So you just got a new PowerMate input device that you want to use on your computer. You do not think that the PowerMate driver was compiled into the kernel of your Linux distribution. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to verify that the device driver was not inserted into the kernel. Insert the PowerMate module into the kernel. Confirm that you have loaded the model into the kernel. Alright, so that is all we need to do in this lab. Let us go ahead and start up lab. Alright, so we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if by the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful to you, you also want to consider joining my professional membership, or you have detailed video access on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all, no matter how complicated it is. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you have access to a wide array of educational video materials to help you with any of your educational needs. Alright, so this lab is loaded. We'll go ahead and open terminal. Alright, so the terminal is loaded. From the first task, we are going to type in ls mode and you press enter. And to give us a list, and you type in mode probe space power mate and you press enter and you see. And we have all we need here, so we type in ls mode and press enter. Alright, so we'll go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video to be helpful to you, also consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.